The next kind of question is convert one part of 1 megawatt on a system whose fundamental units are 10 kg, 1 decimeter and 1 minute. Here you can clearly see that the system in which we have to convert is not an MKS or not an CGS. It is some new system of units. So steps are same. Whenever such kind of situation come, keep in mind the unit in which we have to convert that are kept in a denominator. Means the formula is N2 is equal to N1 U1 upon U2. So this is the system in which we have to do the conversion, and this system whose conversion is to be done. So the question is 1 megawatt, right? 1 megawatt power is to be converted into system of units whose base units are 10 kg, 1 decimeter and 1 minute, right? The formula will be same. N2 is equal to N1. This is M1 upon M2 raised to power A, L1 upon L2 raised to power B, and T1 upon T to power C. So firstly we will write the power ABC. We know that megawatt is the unit for power. So power can be written as work done per unit time. Rate of doing work is power. So work is measured in mL2T minus 2. Why this is so? Because work is force into distance. Force is mLT minus 2 and L is this. So mL2T minus 2 upon time is T. So this comes out to be mL2 T minus 3. So it means here if I write A is equal to 1, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to minus 3. Now putting the values, N2 is equal to power 1 megawatt is equal to 1 megawatt is equal to 10 raised to power 6 watt. M1 this is what is in MKS system, SI system of units. So we'll write 1 kg. M2 is given to you 10 kg. So we'll write here 10 kg raised to power A. A is what here? 1. So 1. Now L1 is meter upon L2 is decimeter. Decimeter can be written as 10 raised to power minus 1 meter. Raised to power B is what? 2. So B is 2. T1 time in MK system is second. In second system of unit it is given to be 1 minute. So we'll write here 1 minute. Raised to power C. C is what? 3. Minus 3. So minus 3. Now solving this kg cancel out, meter cancel out. For minute, 1 minute we can write as 60 second. Second cancel out. Now solving it, 10 raised to power 6. This becomes 10 raised to power minus 1 when we are taking it up. And this becomes 10 raised to power minus 2. This is minus 1 when it is taken upward, that becomes 10 raised to power 1 and power is 2. So this becomes 10 raised to power 2. And this is 60 raised to power 3. So solving it, 10 raised to power 6. This is 10 raised to power 1. This is 60. 3 times becomes 216 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3. So 6 plus 3, 9 and 1, 10. So 216 into 10 raised to power 10, or more precisely 2.16 into 10 raised to power 12. So this is the value of N2. So while writing such systems, we will write that 1 megawatt is equal to 2.16 into 10 raised to power 12 new system of unit. In such cases we will write new system of units. I hope this question is clear to you.